name is Aishani. Today I went to a nature walk, and this is how nature is. I learned about nature. I saw many plants and flowers. It was very fun, and this is also nature. There are many leaves, and Mother Nature got all these beautiful. There's so many leaves around nature. I hope you also like nature. I really like the nature walk. It was fun, experience. It had a lot of fun in it. We went exploring. I got many things, lemons, and it was very fun. Nature. Good morning friends, my name is Divya Gupta. Today I am going to tell you about what I did in my nature walk. I went with Yagnita auntie to the nature walk. In nature walk, I learned that there are so many seeds and so many colorful flowers, and I like them. They are so beautiful. I also picked some seeds and I liked it. And I also want to grow those seeds in my plant. And I also saw some beautiful hibiscuses and sunflowers and other flowers. Thank you. Good morning everybody, my name is Advita Gupta and this is recorded in one craft class. Sometimes I also go to a nature walk there and I saw many beautiful things there. And did you know there were some leaves that could twist and then it won't turn straight again? I also twisted one of them. There are also some black flowers in nature. But there is one flower which can stay for 3-4 days. Then it'll dry. And did you know there are flying seeds with wings also? There are small ones and big ones. There are two types of. There are also very beautiful flowers in nature. And did you know when the bees can also be fully black in color? And if you see on one of the trees and in the beehive, then it turns yellow. But when the bees are there in the beehive, it's black in color. There's one plant in which we can break it and then we'll find seeds in there. Thank you. Also flowers always make nature more beautiful. Thank you.